So guys, here we are. So what's been going on in the world of City Giza? Well, I've just been commissioned to shoot 4 videos for an artist called Ursa, and it's going to be great because she has a great budget. We're going to have professional lighting, all sorts of stuff. So it's going to be amazing to actually get my teeth into this. I've also been helping JK Flash a lot, and it's always an honour working with JK Flash, and love that he always brings me in on his paid projects. And we shot recently for a contestant on Love Island, who's called Finley Tap. Actually got 1 million followers on Instagram. And this was a little sketch of him at Millwall Football Ground. And yeah, we used a Mavic Mini 2 or the Mini 2 drone here, along with the Blackmagic cameras. Also, I've been doing personal projects, and I say personal, but they're paid. And this is a singer called El Kato who's worked with big artists like Jamiroquai, etc., who's doing work in the community now. So I've been shooting for her too. And also, which is the biggest surprise, was a video that I shot on a Blackmagic micro cinema camera was actually picked up by this European company called Nuovision, who do a song contest. And it was amazing that this quick video that we shot with no intentions of anything actually got picked up and played on this massive channel. Was really stoked about that. But here we have the Ursa, and this is going to be the main crux of this video. And my mate picked up this Ursa for us to use on Marissa's videos, and you can see I've got it next to the Eos-m here. The main problem is this lens, the build, it's all wrong. So I needed to go about fixing that to make it usable for what we want to do. So here you can see the lens that it has. It's got a Fujinon TV lens, which is on a BN mount, which is absolutely no good to us because we actually have no lenses. That was the only one we had. He does have the PL mount, but again, we have no PL lenses, which is no good. So I asked him, can he pick me up a EF mount? And he picked it up. And yeah, and I think it's absolutely amazing that it's time to, get going. So just looking around this box, you can see, yeah, it's just a standard EF mount for the Ursa Mini Pro, but it's going to allow me to mount all my lenses on it. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get this build going.
Isn't it beautiful?
Couple bolts, fresh paint, it'd be good as new.
So this is a quick sketch, and I made a few mistakes here with the Eos-m and the Ursa Mini Pro in terms of focus. I missed focus a couple of times, but I still wanted to share this video with you anyway.
Yo. Call me the big spender, watch the pounds roll out the pocket. Anything that I want, I got it. The big spender. You stay staring with your eyes popping out the socket. I'll just roll up in the shop and cop it. Big spender. All of my J's not in a group of rays, cause it never did amaze me. I'm stuck in my ways. Being a G's my trade, and I hustle for papes. Honey's never been the problem, take a look at the face. The honeys, they cool, they never wanna vex me. When I say do it, they just do it like Nike. It might be, cause some of them wanna try and bite me. But no, remove the evidence or wifey wanna fight me. I keep a cushy with the diamonds and jets, while I stay on the street and build up my rep. I play the game till it's over, I said I play the game till it's over and dead. Don't blame the player, blame the game instead.
Think you made with a platinum chains, but you a hustler.
That's right.
Think you're ready, but you ain't steady, cause you a juggler.
Yes, brother, how you doing?
Hey, buddy. What's happening?
Yeah, I'm good, man. How are you?
Listen, mate, I need your expertise on this. I'm looking for a camera to shoot my film on. Yeah, buddy, but I'm looking online and they're having all massive debates, mate, about frame rates per second, dynamic ranges. I just need something sweet that will just do the job.
Yeah, bruv, that's what it's like when you go online. Everyone's always debating about which camera's best and dynamic range and does this and that does that. Look, any modern camera these days will do a fantastic job. People will say you spend 6 grand, 8 grand, whatever, 5 grand on the camera. You don't really need to. Anything modern is going to do a fantastic job. Concentrate more on the lighting, the composition, colors. Concentrate more on that. Because I mean, even if you used a cheap camera running hack software like Eos-m, or if you was to buy yourself a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 4K, either one of those is going to give you fantastic images. If it's something professional you want, then I would say go for the BMPCC 4K, because then you're going to get a solid, image out of that with no problems.
Oh, okay. So predominantly you're saying something modern will do the job?
Yeah, any modern camera.
Oh, sound, mate, sound. I've got a much better understanding about this now, mate. Tell you what I'll do. I'll give you a tinkle later and let you know how I get on. All right, mate? Cheers, bye.
So guys, could you tell which shots were shot on the Canon Eos-m using Magic Lantern? Well, every single shot was shot using Eos-m, apart from any shots that he was talking in the tunnel. Everything else was Eos-m, so the Eos-m is absolutely amazing. But let's move on now and talk about the Ursa a bit more, because I wanted to put this through an extreme low light test. And because this is a broadcast version, I shot this at 12 decibels, which I believe is ISO 1600. I wait to be corrected on that one.
We are the sons and daughters of the dance revolution. We are the footstep generation. We are the generation that went deep before African gave birth to the kick drum.
And finally, here's just a couple of bonus shots which I've done because I'm using the Eos-m on the car mount now, and I've changed to the 18 to 135 lens. You can see that stabilization is a bit floaty, so I'm going to need to do another test on this without image stabilization turned on. But I think it looks pretty cool. I like this FOV. I think it works really well. It looks great. And finally, here's just a quick test with that Fujinon TV lens to show you how it works, how it looks. So thanks guys for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Take care guys. See you on the next one.